Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's video, I'm going to explain why that yellow wrench warning light is on your dashboard. The number one reason why that yellow wrench warning light is on your dashboard is that your vehicle is due for maintenance. In most cases, you probably just need an oil change. On some vehicle, it'll show the oil life percentage. If it doesn't show it, it's going to show you how far behind you are in oil change. In this case, this vehicle is way behind 1,000 miles. When the yellow wrench warning light is on and you bring your vehicle to the dealership or auto shop, they will make a recommendation what type of tune-up you may need depending on mileage. For example, the dealership or auto shop may recommend basic tune-up such as changing the air filter, changing your spark plugs, changing your transmission fluid, rotating your tires, and so on. After the tune-up is complete, I always turn off the yellow wrench warning light by resetting it. Turning off the yellow wrench warning light will vary between manufacturers. The yellow wrench warning light will mean different for different vehicles. For some vehicles, the yellow wrench warning light actually means that there is actually something wrong with your vehicle. For example, if the yellow wrench warning light is on and the check engine light is on and the engine is behaving erratically, there is definitely something wrong with your engine. At this point, it is time to scan your vehicle for fault codes. From my experience, important engine sensor such as throttle position sensor, accelerator pedal position sensor, mass airflow sensor, crankshaft sensor, camshaft sensor, and so on. If any of these sensors fail, it will definitely trigger that yellow wrench warning light and your vehicle will be set into a fail-safe mode, also known as limp mode. So if you notice that your engine has limited power and you can't go faster than 30 to 50 miles per hour, your vehicle is definitely in a fail-safe mode. At this point, it is best to figure out what codes you are getting and fix that problem. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.